Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I actually still think this is a 1, 2, 3 right here, and I actually think the wave 3 has a lot of upside potential. My target for this wave 3 is actually all the way up around the $2,500 area. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I believe this first sets up trend right here is a wave one. I still think this is a corrective wave two, and I still believe that we're in a wave three. I think this is a subdivision of a wave three, like a one of three, a two of three, and eventually it's going to keep on going up for a wave three of wave three. So taking it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm still looking at this as a complete correction. I think it's 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3 waves down. The wave W, I think, has a like a double zigzag wave B within it, which makes it look a little weird. But it definitely did go down to the 100% Fibonacci extension, make a nice impulsive move to the upside. I think there's a very good likelihood this is the end of a correction, and over the coming weeks and months, I believe that it will continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up right here. I think there's a very good chance that we are in a correction to the move up, which if that's true, then it probably is going to go down to at least one of these Fibonacci retracement levels before we actually do end up continuing the uptrend. I think it's more likely that it will take out this low right here, so maybe the 50% Fibonacci is actually the more likely area where this will turn back to the upside. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking at this as still a correction. It kind of looks like a double zigzag to me, almost like what happened here. 1, 2, 3 waves down, X, 1, 2, 3 waves down, and then it continued up. This looks like pretty much the same thing. 1, 2, 3 waves down, X, and then A, B, C down, maybe even all the way down to the 50% or the 38% before we actually do continue the uptrend, almost like a double zigzag pattern. So, I mean, depending on what kind of trader you are, if you are a scalper, you could definitely be looking for shorts until you get that Fibonacci bounce with a nice engulfing move to the upside. Or if you're more of a day trader, then you could patiently be waiting for the end of this correction, a Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the upside, a nice break of structure to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.